Welcome back to Cars Info, your trusted destination for everything you need to know about the latest cars hitting the market. Today, we're diving into a complete review of the all-new 2025 Lexus GX 550, a rugged luxury SUV that's redefining the segment with its powerful performance, sophisticated design, and serious off-road capabilities. Whether you're a Lexus fan or just in the market for a premium SUV that does it all, this video is for you. So buckle up and let's explore everything the 2025 GX 550 has to offer. The 2025 Lexus GX 550 is a full redesign of the iconic GX lineup, built on Toyota's GAF platform that also underpins the Toyota Land Cruiser and Lexus LX. But make no mistake, the GX 550 is more than just a rebadge or a refresh. It's bolder, stronger, and far more luxurious than ever before. Lexus has blended durability and refinement in a way few SUVs manage to do today. The design speaks for itself. At first glance, you'll notice the upright, boxy stance, giving it a more aggressive and purposeful presence than its predecessor. The front grille is large, angular, and flanked by striking triple-beam LED headlights. Lexus's new design language is clearly visible, with a squared-off nose and smooth body lines that communicate strength and luxury simultaneously. From the side, the proportions are muscular and well-balanced. The squared-off wheel arches, 20-inch wheels on premium trims, and up to 22 inches on the luxury models, and prominent roof rails contribute to its rugged look. Around back, the GX 550 now features LED taillights that span the tailgate and a modernized rear bumper. And for the first time in GX history, there's a power liftgate with a rear glass hatch, a huge improvement in convenience. The GX 550 will be available in several trims, including Premium, Premium Plus, Luxury, Luxury Plus, Overtrail, and Overtrail Plus, each with its own aesthetic touches and off-road features. Step inside the cabin and you're greeted with a complete transformation. Gone are the old-school analog dials and tiny screens. In their place is a modern, tech-forward cabin with exceptional materials and layout. The centerpiece of the interior is a massive 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Below that, you've got physical knobs for climate control, something many SUV buyers still appreciate. The digital gauge cluster is a 12.3-inch display, fully customizable with navigation, media, and safety alerts. The interior quality is what you'd expect from Lexus. Plush leather seats, real wood and aluminum trim, and available ultra-suede accents in the Overtrail trims. Seating comfort is excellent in the first and second rows. The front seats are heated and ventilated with 10-way power adjustment. The second row can be configured with either a bench seat or captain's chairs, depending on the trim. There's even a third row option, making the GX a true family SUV. Cargo space is also much improved, thanks to a more flexible seating layout and wider tailgate design. The 2025 GX 550 doesn't just look the part, it delivers under the hood, too. Every GX 550 is powered by a 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. This powertrain produces a solid 349 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. That's a significant upgrade from the outgoing naturally aspirated V8, offering more power, better torque, and improved fuel efficiency. Lexus claims the GX 550 can tow up to 8,000 pounds, making it ideal for hauling trailers, boats, or other heavy gear. Whether you're cruising on the highway or taking on steep mountain trails, the GX 550 is up for the task. Standard full-time four-wheel drive and a